Greeting, this is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use on-screen keyboard to type on our Microsoft Word document. Yes, on-screen keyboard to type on our Microsoft document, right? And why this is very important, in case and when your computer key sticking, not working, it cannot tell you this particular method, right? So we're going to go through this particular area carefully, right? So what you wanted to do, definitely, we're going to come right here, right down here, say taskbar. So this is known as the search bar. We're going to click, right? And notice it bring up this particular window here, and this is what we're looking for on-screen keyboard. So we're going to click it, right? And there you go. Now we're going to be bringing up a Microsoft Word document, which is this right here. So we're going to click and bring it up and see how best we can actually use it, right? So we're going to click this one here, right up, just like that, right? So we're going to put the cursor right here and drag it down, because it actually can move from one places to another places, right? So it's very important, right? So when we try it down like that, right? So just click here, just ensure the cursor blinking right there, right? I want to type something, right? The only thing we have to do is click on the word and click, you notice, click, and if you notice, click, right? What if you want the at sign? One thing you have to do is click on the shift key, and this is the at sign, you click, and there you go, with the at sign. But if you want a comma, you just click right there, get a comma. But if you want this bracket here, right, you want this bracket here, you just click shift key, and then you click, alright, over here, understand? So you can always click any one of these, and you're good to go. Alright, you want this, you can also get the same bracket as the same, you do the same thing likewise. Alright, so do the same thing, and it's very important. Right, and what if you want to go to the startup menu, right, you can actually click this right here. Right, and when you click this right here, you notice this is the alt and start to actually take you to the startup menu. Right, so it's very important. Alright, so you want to open the accent center. When you highlight this, you can click also on A, and that's carry up. You notice it actually open here, which is the accent center. Alright, very important. So you can actually use this keyboard here to do a lot of stuff here. Right, so very important. What if you want to delete all of this? Let me take one little. What if you want to backspace all of this? You can simply come here, because this is the backspace, you can simply come like that. Right? So delete now, you have to put the cursor in front. And rather than this here, delete, and you click, and there you go. Right? Notice now, you notice you have a minimize button right here, so you have a close button. If I click the minimize, you notice you don't see none of that. You come all the way using the taskbar, you click it, and it's back up. Right? So very important. Right, you want to close it, you click that, and that's it. So if you have learned something from this particular video, I hope the video has solved your problem, because some of you might be complaining that keyboard not work, or you're going to manage and all of that. So this is another method that any you can actually use. So remember to like